Welcome to part 7 of our home office renovation with a $1,500 budget, and today we're refinishing this massive double-sided desk that I got on OfferUp for only $100. As you can see, there's a lot of wear and tear from over 30 years of use, but we can fix that. I started by sanding down the existing finish on the desk and all 10 drawers with 60 grit sandpaper using an orbital sander. Then I repeated the same process using 220 grit to create a super smooth surface. Next, I'm going to treat this desk for bugs using an insecticide. I don't know for sure if this has or had bugs at some point, but I'm not taking any chances because these little holes were all over the desk. Here's what I used for this part of the process. But now it's time for stain. I am going with my trusted dark walnut. I use dark walnut all throughout my house. And I think with an older piece like this, it's going to look really sophisticated. Now here's where I made a huge mistake. I noticed a damp patch on the top of the desk and went against my better judgment and stained over it. I was left with this huge splotch, so I had to sand everything down and start over. But I'm so glad I did because it looks so good. I still have to apply the top coat and new hardware, so be sure to like and follow for the next part of this project and for more home renovations and DIYs.